part of this program. Yeah. Yeah lah, kalau bilo.
O se wile mang ti ala lo mua mai le fio anga utongi ale tata.
My name is Arnold po Baluy na pangalan.
My name is Bernadette. I'm actually from Vaivase and Manumalo.
One of your staff members, kala mo maya.
I'm very happy. Yeah, I'm very happy.
When the person that called me was asking for my name, to confirm my name, I actually answered her back, which to me is just a normal question. But when she asked me the second question to confirm my number and with my address, and that's when I panicked a bit, thinking that what is going on, you know. Yeah, so I was kind of shocked. Yeah.
Dalam suan fasi no mai le tuani ia wala e mani me tonu fa mai le na tupe pe a ka pe fa mani.
Ya ke loa ya pe la tulanga ya ile fa mo yo talo a le talo ta tu ai fa mani mo wa no ti ti to la nga po me to fa le
I go for the, my family first. And then this is a first step for me. And then I try for the invest for the Samoa.
So I would like to utilize the money wisely and, to prepare myself and my family so that we could, cope well.
Well, first of all, the money that you get first,
Ia malas-las o tatou tulu. Susu ngai whawhenga. Dona minsta, whaurulunga o matanga ruanga. Ia mese fo whaurulunga male pūlenga le company malosi nea Vodafone. Ia o lea mo mahe a o mana whaatino i tulanga atoa. Pe o le laisene ino le nei whaamoi. E le whaingo fia fo. E mo le silfia fo ia le tatou o tulu. Ia. O le taimi na whaatino ele se ile nei, ele se mahi. And I remember Satish saying that day, when we called the finalists, how come they're not excited? Then I said to him, well, depending on the person that you call. And we saw it on the screen, and that's what they were thinking about when this was relayed to them. So, lela o ma, whaatino to esi o sole lungale. Le whaangaso longa le tātou whaamoi. O lau tau sila mai lunga I, e luas furutanga I e ora. O le tō lima la lea, o le laanga I mai e. E piki alanga ia, le tanga ia, o nei tanga o le suatolu, ia, o le naoro o iai, a le o se mea lofa, o se ula, ia, o se lole fua. Ai o la iai a te tonu I pouches I e lua se furu. Ia le tātou whailunga tupele se lau afe tā la. Ai tele yo mai la, ia, o lea wa, ula ia tula uso lea mai. So each finalist will come up here, pick a number. Ia, o nga kako whasol solo ai lea, a mata mai lawa le numero tasi, se yo numero 5. A whapea e mai, ale to 5 mua, le 5 mua, ele I maua. Ia, o toi whasolo fo le, o le si 5 se ia, o lawa ina I whapenana. Maua le, o le a whamanuia ina le nei whailonga tupiti le. Yeah, without further ado, I'm going to ask the finalists, please, to come up one by one, pick a number, and you can just stand on that side there. Yeah, but I want to finalists to leave mole. Yeah, I want to Bernadette, so much. I think I'm home, Talala mubera yana fa. Dole ana yuma tatu o mai mo. Ya, vai ser participante mo Bernadette, dole o ia se inga le número tas. Ya, po visu mai. Oh, yeah, okay, enough. Open that up and face in front. I've got a round of applause. Number 5, Kobe. One of these 5 lucky people will walk away with 100,000 tala. It's no small money. Kobe, o le numero lua. Ya, tamam tu ya tarsam. Ol tmaya tarsam o le numero 5. Ya, vale futua ya sewila. Ya, si. Ya, ole o mai ai ko ke de yo o mai na ta la o mo ti no esa mani ma se la o fa ya si ba to ma des la ma sa salo no loto au te ma sa salo.
I'm very humble. It's true. I must be on God's mind. I'm very grateful. And that's a lot of time, not for Manumalo. The CEO of Vodafone, I'm grateful. I thank you for such an opportunity. I miss you, the CEO of Vodafone and its management. I pray for the company's blessings, for its future and future developments to move forward. To all the people who are here, I thank you all. I'm just so grateful. And I'm very grateful to God and my family. Thank you, Vodafone.
Yeah, Bernadette, together we can. Yes. Yeah, Malo Baftai.